get one shot and one shot only, alright?
Oh my god.
Touchy.
Oh my god, John, I'm so scared. I don't think I can do it.
I'm this, ooh, yeah, I'm this shit, yeah. It's a scam, I need it right now, right here in my hand. I get it first like I live in Japan. I'm in the kitchen whipping my wrist. You cannot enter, it's not on the list. I'm this shit, ooh, yeah, I'm this shit, yeah. It's my closet, right here.
Do a closet door.
You know, these are all where I keep most of my sweaters at. I wear a variety of colors, you know. You don't see nobody wearing stuff like this, you know. So you gotta be different, you know what I'm saying? I got my shirts right here.
What's your favorite one?
All colors. You know what?
Dude, you're right there and I'm looking with the customer.
Honestly, bro. Favorite right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I only got one pair of sweatpants.
Oh really?
Yeah. These my only pair in my closet right here.
What are these?
Those definitely not mine.
Oh, okay. I have on this Average Apparel exclusive. Hashtag sponsored. I have on these shorts from probably like H&M. They're just gray. These tube socks and my light birds. This is my warehouse.
Yeah.
You know, this is where I box all of the everything for my new merch line.
This is my warehouse. This is my GTA warehouse.
This is my truck that ships out all my Is This a Boomerang shirts. That's my other truck that paints houses on the side. You know, you have to have other businesses. You know.
Gotta paint houses. you know the house.
Actually, this truck painted the whole warehouse.
Yeah, exactly.
You see that?
And you wanna know how we did it? You see that that sheetrock on top? When we drove on top of the building, and it was just painting the whole building as we drove.
I mean, guys, it was insane.
You had to see it to believe it. And when I say,
what's your outfit of the day?
Oh, listen, man. All right, man. So, I was the time where, you know, I usually start with the shoes when I start off. So I was like, I haven't worn these in a while, you know what I'm saying? And so I just came up with a basic outfit. And I was like, you know what, bro? Let's be spontaneous. You know what I'm saying? You know, don't ask me how to spell that, but you know what I'm saying? We throw on the socks. Where's Waldo socks? You know what I'm saying? Just boom.
Hey guys, so I have had Quick Trip coffee every day now for a week.
How many
Lex, does it take to get to the center for Tootsie Pop? Is this a boomerang? Listen, it doesn't matter how many slices are in the pizza. It matters how many inches the pizza is. Is this a boomerang?
is this a boomerang?
No. Count how many slices.
It doesn't matter how many slices.
13.
You know, because I definitely need space. I really want to download.
You need a passport to use a PS4?
Before a thing. Huh?
You need a passport to use a PS4?
No. He got too much videos on his PS4. He needs to put them.
You can store videos on your PS4?
Yeah, because you record gameplay video.
Oh, Lord.
Idiots.
All about this. Go.
Oh wait! Way up.
Told me what?
LeBron.
Killer B is on. Garage door.
How did y'all get in here? Y'all been everywhere today.
Okay. I didn't know you was gonna do that. That's kind of lame. I thought you was gonna do the y'all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Didn't see you there.
Yeah, like you know what I'm saying. That one.
Yeah.
Door. Garage door.
Oh shit! I ain't see y'all niggas there. What y'all up to? Y'all been keeping the house safe?
He hit me up the other
So, I'm gonna get my ears pierced today.
We're about to turn up all out. She's out here? No. She was, I was in.
Boob Chile, the ghetto. I'm about to buy only the single greatest snack to ever grace this planet. That is beauty. This right here is my food chile. I guess so. Look, when twins twin, but you can't tell who's who.
It was twin?
Okay,
Now I am.
we're about to do some piercing up in here. Okay.
This glove only got 4 fingers.
No, my pants, the thumb is the 5th finger.
Guys, what is Jerron cursing?
Who you want there? Joe. Butterball.
Make you clean it again just to make sure.
Like just I already cleaned it, man. And the thing is already, the spot is already there. So, look. You get one shot and one shot only, alright?
Oh my god.
Touchy.
Oh my god, John, I'm so scared. I don't think I can do it.
Move!
Oh my god, can someone hold on?
You didn't spend $8 for that.
Please go. Please.
I thought he messed up when she was
That
screaming.
shit hurt so bad. Hey, let me see. You were right.
Yeah, he did.
Oh my god, it burns.
It ain't gonna hurt as bad as the other one.
Oh my god,
used to the feeling.
Oh my god. You stop? Jerron, you don't understand the pain I'm going through.
Yo, Asha.
Gerard take all day to do it.
It's burning a lot.
Okay, I don't know how to get.
It went off. It came off. Don't touch it because last time you touched it, you didn't even need to.
Oh my god, Jerron.
It's over with now.
Oh my god. Oh my
did it.
god.
Okay, why is she playing this in the background?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. I'm so stiff.